She made me feel like a doo-wop song. Yeah. It's no love. Let's go. You make me smile when I wanna be mad at the world. You do. I wanna break up and make up every day, so then we always stay brand new. My new love says you made me wanna sing a song about you. Yeah, you do. My new love, let's break up and make up every day, so that we always stay brand new. Girl, you pick the fight. Let's argue like we mean it, baby. Go hard. The realer it gets, the more passionate we can be with that makeup sex. Oh, I don't ever wanna not feel this way about you. Keep it here, baby. I don't wanna lose this good love, 'cause it got old. No, not us, my dear. No way. Woo. My new love said you make me wanna sing a song about you. Yeah, you do. My new love, let's break up and make up every day, so that we always stay brand new. Drop it right here. Hey, so it feels good. Girl, our love will stand the test of time, 'cause I'ma make sure you never get over me, babe. 'Cause I can never get over you. My new love, the man you always be. Yeah. This, 'cause if we never get old, we can't die. If we never touch the ground, we stay fly. Forever it's gonna be you and I. My new love says you made me wanna sing a song about you. Yeah, you do. My new love, let's make up and break up every day, so that we always stay brand new. Yeah.
Well, hello and hi there. Never knew you were weird like me. Thought I was the only one. Now it seems like I'm not that lonely. Can't believe your boy don't understand you, and it seems like you don't love it. And I think we have more in common, so think twice. We could be like Cosmo and Wanda, music and lyrics under these blankets and covers. We could be like waffles and syrup. So take my hand today. We can make now until last week, and turn you in here to you and me. So I'll take you to a place where you don't have to think of him. We can go wherever you want. It won't cost you a damn thing. Love don't got no price at all. If you need me, you can bet your bottom dollar I'll be there. I'll be there. I'll be there. You can bet your bottom dollar.
Yeah, I'm seriously drawn by the way that you've been overly hurt, 'cause I'm always there to try to make you know what you're worth. A young lady that's amazing, and you're perfect, I tell it. From that cute poking bottom to them perky-ish melons, and you're a felon. That smile is better than fresh pancakes. I can't believe you and your stupid mandate. I know I'm saying everything too weird and really fast-paced, but I just wanna cuddle your butt and give you my last name. Yeah, 'cause every day I give you love as a deposit. I don't need $1 million, there's some cash up in my wallet to keep you up in my heart. You're scrumptious, I need a bite. Let's sit and watch Superbad, eating noodles and sticky rice, and I care about everybody. We'll be out on our way. You're the apple of my day, the juice to my Minute Maid. With that makeup on your face, I can tell that you try, and ain't no other man better than I.
Take you to a place where you don't have to think bet your bottom dollar I'll be there. Through every little thing that he can't do, just keep that energy between me and you. So when you're down, you can bet your bottom dollar I'll be there. I'll take you to a place where you don't have to think of him. We can go wherever you want. It won't cost you a dime.
You ready? 1, 2, 3.
Para ang parent, matanda man, mahalaga at importante ka pa rin sa buhay. Ayokong mawala ka kasi tulad ng pera, maghihirap ako pag nawala ka sa buhay. Happy anniversary, babe. Mahal na mahal kita.
Yeah!
You can bet your bottom dollar I'll be there.